So I got these 3 bags from Super Kicks, as you can see. So if you're new here, so basically today what we are doing is we are unboxing a couple of sneakers. So this is the new segment that I started last month, where we unbox budget sneakers, and I'll repeat it once again for the new peeps out here. Budget unboxing does not mean sneakers that are 500 bucks or 1000 bucks. Okay, budget unboxing means the sneakers that are available in India on retail, and anyone could walk into any of the stores and purchase them as and when they like. Now before we start with today's video, I have some good news for you guys. So I have finally started shooting the how to sell on StockX video. Now you got to understand that that video includes, it involves a lot of process. Like you have to, after selling it, you have to ship it, and then it has to reach there, and then a lot of formalities has to be completed. So it may take a few days, but the good part is that I have started shooting. So this time for sure it's coming soon, and not like the previous times I've been saying that it's coming soon. So I did a poll yesterday on my YouTube, and I asked you guys which sneakers do you want me to unbox in this budget unboxing section. And I gave you 2 choices of sneakers. That is, one was the Gel Light 3 Dragon Fruit, and the other one was the Nike Air Force 1 React. So when I went to Super Kicks to pick up those sneakers for you guys, I saw a third sneaker there, which I think was pretty impressive. So in the poll, you guys chose the third option, which was both the sneakers. But since I got the third pair of sneakers as well, so we're not just unboxing 2 sneakers, we are unboxing 3 sneakers today, so that you can have a little more choice and then probably decide which one do you like and which one do you want to put your money in. By the way, I also received my Yeezy slides, and I put a story up yesterday on my Instagram, and a lot of you people were asking me how did I cop it. I had shared it on my story. I also copped 2 more slides from the end raffle, but that's going to be delivered in the US, and I don't know when that will come here, which is why I tried for another one here, and I got it. Now, first, let's go ahead and unbox all of these sneakers. So first, we're going to start with the Nike Air Force 1 React. Now, Air Force 1s are not exactly known for its comfort, but what Nike of late has been trying to do is make the Air Force 1s a little more comfortable. So you had the Flyknit version before, which are known for its comfort in terms of Air Force 1s, and this time around they did a Nike Air Force 1 React. So what they've done in this shoe is included the React midsole. React midsole is like a Nike airbag in the heel of the shoe, and thus making the shoe a lot more comfortable. So as you can see, the design is slightly different on the shoe than the usual all black Air Force 1s, and also the leather on these is a little more softer than what I have usually seen in the regular ones. So I'm not going to get into any more technical details about the shoe, because this unboxing is more like a casual unboxing and the basic points which you should consider probably when you're going to buy a shoe. So these retail for 9,995 only, and they are pretty much freely available at Super Kicks, so you can go and pick it up from there. Now next, coming to the Asics. Now I know in my previous video I had said that I did not really like the Asics Sean Wotherspoon Gel Light 3s, but that was not because of the silhouette, that was because I did not like it in the Sean Wotherspoon version. So the toe box on that shoe was a little weird to me, and that is why I said I did not like it as much. But the Gel Light 3s have been one of the most comfortable running shoes, and here we have another version from that in the Dragon Fruit colorway. So as you can see, it uses a lot of mesh material in sort of light purple colorway with hits of teal in suede all around the shoe, and what makes it pop is the little use of purple and black on the shoe, along with hot pink and black outsole. So these shoes, like I said, are pretty much very comfortable, and Gel Light 3s in fact have always been known to be extremely comfortable, and I find them the same, especially with the split tongue design, as it makes it very easy to put on the shoe. So these retail for about 8,999 if I'm not mistaken, and are currently available at Super Kicks. So you can definitely go try them out and see if you like them and get them. Now last, the third sneaker that I spotted at Super Kicks was this Night Ball from Adidas. Now I hadn't really planned to do this sneaker or include this sneaker in this video. I was just going to do both of these, but then when I saw the sneaker, I kind of liked it a lot because it gives a very vibrant vibe when you look at the shoe with all the colors used on the shoe. So this shoe basically is a combination of the night jogger and the street ball coming together to make a new silhouette altogether. So it has a lot of textures on the shoe and this really aggressive 3-stripe design on the upper, and also weirdly they've included this small velcro patch. I don't know, this was not really needed, but nevertheless more the merrier. Comes with an extra pair of laces in sort of burgundy colorway, which I think will go absolutely amazing with the overall design of the shoe. So these retail for about 10,999, slightly on the higher side, but in terms of quality they are really nice, and I think it would be a great daily beater. So yeah, you can grab them at Superkicks again. Now why I chose these 3 sneakers specifically is because I wanted to keep a sort of a balance in between extremely athletic shoe like this one, which is really comfortable and a running shoe, and with probably 2 lifestyle sneaker choices depending on what kind of use do you have for each of them. Now before I end this video, like I said in the previous video, we are going to pick a winner for the awesome Supreme customized Air Force Ones that we customized in the last video with Chaitanya Dixit. So I had asked you guys in the previous video to follow me, Chaitanya, and Marketplace by Main Street to enter the giveaway and also engage with all our content, and then I would pick a random post or a random video from my handles and then choose a random winner from that post. Now like I said, picking a winner would be random and in no way will be chosen by me personally, and hence which is why I tell you guys always to not DM me about the giveaway, because that's not going to help. Giveaway winner is always picked randomly from a given post or a video. So do not be disheartened if you do not win this giveaway, because anyways by now you guys know how many giveaways I am doing. I am trying to do as much as I can so most of you guys can have an opportunity to win a sneaker. Not just that, I am also in the process of planning something big for you guys. It will be something when you guys will have more regular opportunities to, you know, win sneakers, probably weekly or monthly or even more, as much as I can, like I said. And not just that, you will also have an opportunity to buy some of the most hyped sneakers at better prices. So yeah, that thing is under works and I will very soon make an announcement regarding this. And in the meantime, what you can do is let me know in the comments below how do you feel about this in general, what I'm trying to do to give opportunity to you guys. And yeah, I will soon be announcing what I'm working on, so let's see how that goes. So now let's go ahead and pick a winner. So here I am on my Insta feed. Now I'll just go ahead and pick one random post. I think I'll go with this one, and now we'll pick a random name from here, and here it is. Congratulations on winning these very special customized Supreme Air Force Ones. I think I have seen this name a couple of times in my comment section on Instagram and YouTube. So I really hope that you really wanted this pair and you will appreciate and keep it with you for life. So all you have to do now is DM me from this very account, and as usual I'll have them shipped out to you ASAP. For the rest, like I said, I'm planning something really big and special where you will have a lot more opportunities. So you gotta wait for that one, and that's all from me for today, and I will see you in the next one. Peace. यार giveaway का एक problem है यार bro. I feel bad that only one person has to win. Now what can I do यार? I have to select from the random post only. No, अब मैं एक का देखने बैठूंगा ऐसे थोड़ी select कर सकता हूँ, फिर bias हो जाएगा.